I love doing my own nails. Number one, it's more budget friendly and it also allows me to stay home and not have to go to the salon. But it's also super fun to do it yourself. So, this one over here is one of my favorite nails to use. It is the Kiss Press On nails. This one comes in an almond shape and it comes with different nail sizes for a total of 28 nails. It also comes with its own glue, manicure stick, and mini file. I did decide to use a different glue only because I love the Kiss glue that comes with the brush. I just find it a lot easier to apply. It applies with more precision. So I just apply the glue and then I go ahead, add the nail and press on for right around 15 to 30 seconds just to ensure that it has really stuck to my own nails. Now, another thing that I also like to do, I like to add a top coat of gel nail polish, and this is to help extend the life of my nails. And let me tell you, it helps so much. I of course have to cure it once it's done, but look at how beautiful it looks. I do a little bit of filing and then I am all set. Super easy and it looks absolutely beautiful. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.